Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check your storage on iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. In order to check how much space is taken, we can go to the settings. Then you want to tap on the general, and over here you will find iPhone storage. At the top over here you have this information about how much space is actually used out of the total amount, of course. So for instance, in my case 25 gigabytes is used out of 128 gigabytes. Over here we have also the list sorted by the size and the list of apps and how much space they take individually. You can also tap show all in order to find all of them. And also we have hidden apps, of course, so if you want to access information about hidden apps, then of course you can find them over here if you have added hidden apps before. And of course the information about the iOS, so the operating system and the system data. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.